Yeah, not. Oreo has to learn some things.
So Jessa stayed over at my apartment one time about 3 years ago because she was visiting New York City for something. I forget what she was visiting for.
For Oreo.
And she sleeps on the couch, and I figured, oh, so Oreo is sleeping next to Jessa. And then I wake up and I see that Oreo is sitting on Jessica's head. And
Just
Jessica
to be clear, good friends tell their friend, listen, my cat's got a little bit of a problem. My cat, you know, is working towards some goals about hygiene and maybe isn't all the way there yet. So just to know, it might not be a good idea if Oreo comes by. Don't let Oreo near your face. That would be like kind of like a pre-coronavirus kind of sitch. My friend did not do that. My friend informed me the next day about the hygiene situation.
I didn't know that you were going to let Oreo sit on your head, so I see all these messages saying Oreo is treating my head like an egg, he's trying to hatch me. I said, what do you mean? He goes, no, he was sleeping on my head. And then I said, you realize he doesn't know how to clean his butt. So his ass is always typically dripping with diarrhea.
Right, no, see?
And then the tone of the conversation changed.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Because that's when I knew my friend was an asshole.
That's it.
That's it.
That
She got
was
to say.
before. Now he doesn't have a diarrhea problem.
Yeah. Then Erica came and trained him out of that.
He changed foods.
Changed his
There was
ways.
some shampoo.
And that's when we knew that wellness was full of life. All right, so we're supposed to get stuff out of this, right?
Yeah.
I'll give you a look. Where do you go?
Jess is going to Rochester.
Yeah, I'm not going to look that far.
Yeah, that's a little.
You guys want me driving?
Jess is going to the airport.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, let's go drive to where.